Hi guys, I'm here to meet up with my friend Maricel and this is my OOTD. Maganda ba? Okay, check muna sa angulo. It's been 1 year since we last meet up ni Maricel. Yun pa yung last na nag-Azerbaijan kami. Grabe, so busy. So, dito namin napiling pumunta sa Rim Island kasi maganda daw yung mga cafe dito, sabi ni Sel. And it's my first time to visit this area sa Rim Island. Although napupunta naman din ako dito before, hindi pa ako napunta dito sa gawin ng mga cafe. Ang ganda pala ng view dito sa area na malapit sa man-made lake nila. Very romantic yung dating. So dito kami maghahanap ng tatambayan ni Maricel para makapag catch up kami, magchika-chika later. So susundan ko lang siya kasi 3 times na daw siyang napunta dito. O diba? Lakwatsera talaga to si Maricel. Actually, this is super late upload. This was last November. We're gonna celebrate her birthday and birthday ni Maricel. What I love about Abu Dhabi is they have plenty of areas or places that you can go, and it's very peaceful, it's very clean. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung mga photo op namin. Sisi girl ko. Ayan na nga, nag-start na kaming mag-catch up at mag-chika-chika while enjoying our food and the beautiful background. It's very romantic and pleasing to the eyes. Madami-dami rin kaming pinagkwentuhan ni Maricel. So, time-lapse ko na lang kasi ayoko namang marinig niyo yung maritesa namin, di ba? Maricel really suggested the perfect location where we can stay. It's the perfect place to hang out. It's very romantic at ang ganda talaga ng view. Lalo sa time na to, pa-sunset na siya actually. This time of the year is start of winter. So November yung start ng winter. So it's really chilly outside. And it's not that chilly that you can still not bring any jacket and enjoy the good weather and temperature. So after our meal, nag-decide si Maricel na mag-shisha. So it's a traditional way of smoking here in the GCC. Pero ako hindi ko pa na-try ito kasi alam niyo naman may asthma ang lola nyo, kaya hindi ko siya matry. Pero I think enjoy naman siya. So, nagpaabot na kami rito hanggang 6 p.m. para ma-enjoy yung view. Since may pupuntahan din naman kami mamaya, mga around 7 p.m. At yun yung gender reveal ng pinsan ni Maricel. By the way guys, pangkitin ko lang na ito nga pala ay Rim Island. Ito ay nasa Abu Dhabi at marami kaming naging projects dito. Yung mga nakikita nyong buildings dyan sa background, most of it ay naging projects namin sa aming curtain wall facade industry. Kaya it's an honor pa rin na mapakita ko sa inyo itong lugar na ito. Very romantic at magandang landmark sa Abu Dhabi. So we're done to our dinner and we're going to the gender reveal celebration later. At napadaan pa kami dito sa napakagandang water fountain sa Rim Island. Salamat sa pag-watch guys! Thank you!